Hello everyone, today we will learn about map. A map is a symbolic representation of selected characteristics of a place, usually drawn on a flat surface. Maps present information about the world in a simple visual way. Map makers called cartographers. Features on the maps are dog styles, which are date, orientation, grid, scale, title, author, index, legend, and sources. Date refers to either the time the map was made or the date relevant to the information on the map. Orientation refers to the presence of a compass rose or simply an arrow indicating directions on the map. The grid helps people locate places on the map. On small-scale maps, the grid is often made up of latitude and longitude lines. Latitude lines run east-west around the globe, parallel to the equator, an imaginary line that circles the middle of the Earth. Longitude lines run north-south from pole to pole. Latitude and longitude lines are numbered. The intersection of latitude and longitude lines, called coordinates, identify the exact location of a place. A map scale indicates the relationship between the distances on the map and the actual distances on Earth. The map's title tells what the map is about, revealing the map's purpose and content. Noting a map's author is important because the cartographer's perspective will be reflected in the content. A map's index helps viewers find a specific spot on the map using the grid. A map's legend explains what the symbols on the map mean. A map's sources are where the author of the map got his or her information. Cartographers make many different types of maps, which can be divided into two broad categories: general reference maps and thematic maps. General reference maps show general geographic information about an area, including the locations of cities, boundaries, roads, mountains, rivers, and coastlines. While the thematic maps display distribution or patterns over Earth's surface. They emphasize one theme or topic. Well, there is a little information about the map. I do hope that it can help all of you to understand the material about the map.